It's day 7. I'm going to the Cyrah to grocery shop. What button do you think I have on? How do you say it? Tomaste petito? Yeah, y tomaste petito. I don't know. Have you had your shake today? It works. So, with that being said, let's make a shake. Day 7. It's supposed to be a rest day. But I do have football practice. Play with Chico. Flag football league. Level 1. Sometimes I put some extra water because I like it. I like to chug it. So if you make it thicker, if you make your shake thicker, drink it slower. Make it more watery. Drink it faster. Ice cubes. 4 for the founders. Then 2 and 2. 2 scoops of cookies and cream, Formula 1. 2 scoops of protein drink mix. Breakfast of champions. Not just ordinary champions. Victorious champions. They can't lose. Like Parker Lewis. If you're young, you might want to Google that. Parker Lewis can't lose. So who will win in a fight between Parker Lewis and Batman? Well, you see, that question's null and void because Parker Lewis can't lose. Therefore, why would you even ask that question? But Batman is Batman, and everybody's Batman. See? See Batman? Batman. Sometimes I switch it up. I do Greek yogurt instead of protein drink mix. Or the Herbalife beverage mix, just depending on what flavor I have, but that's when I get fancy. In the morning, I keep it simple. It's about, what is it, 11 o'clock over there. I got up about 10 because I can. And, yeah. Y'all ready? Vitamix, boom. Variable, 1, 4, on. Come on now, crank this motherfucker up. See, I didn't even have to put it on high. I'm good with that. So it's good consistency. It has that shine on the top when you get it just right. Herbalife branded glass right there. Throw that in there. See that? Perfect pour. If somebody's a shake snob, they won't like blocks of ice. I don't mind it because when I drink 30-calorie almond milk, I like putting ice in it because that's how I like my almond milk. So when I have my shake, similarly, I like blocks of ice. Sometimes. Some people don't like that. Also, what you want to do, guys, you want to have your herbal tea concentrate. With me, for my first 30 days of my 90-day shred, I'm doing no aloe. So I get about an 8-ounce glass right here. And I have my herbal tea concentrate. Put that right here. Get out some more lemon-infused alkaline water. This is a good company. I like them. They always send me stuff. Just drink. Send me water gallons. So, I'm a little parched. So I'm going to have a sip of water first. But that's none of my business. Then, I want to put half of a teaspoon in that. Half of a teaspoon of the herbal tea concentrate in this glass. This is raspberry. It's my favorite flavor right now. So I don't measure it. I just kind of tap it on the butt a little bit. Get half a teaspoon in there. Dunzo. Right? I just tapped it on the butt a little bit and got sprinkled a little bit in there. And the darker the tea, the more concentrated, of course, the more bitter. But I like it a little light like that. And it gets the job done. Then I have my tablets. I'm going to do multivitamin cell activator cellulose. And I'm gonna be fancy today. I'm gonna have a total control. So, multivitamin, boot, cell activated cellulose. Look, tablets, right? Vitamins, healthy. So you take these, with some tea. Gotcha. And it's gone. And then you have your shake right here, and you have your tea, and that's breakfast. And it took 5 minutes, and now I'm off to the carniceria. Adios. 90-day shred. Who's ready? This is my day 7 rest day, but I'm still gonna do a little shouting. But if it's your day 7 rest, follow the instructions. Email me if you don't have them. Let's get it. That 30-day challenge within the challenge, where a MacBook will be given away, is going to start in about 3 weeks. So get on this 90-day shred right now.